I opened the truck recently. The floor was a swamp.
This is after sitting here for weeks.
I didn't have to wonder where it came from, though. A crack in the windshield had been haunting me for quite a while. Tape had stopped the rain previously, but evidently no more. I had never seen it this wet in the truck. The windshield would need to be replaced. The challenge tempted me. ChrisFix said it was doable after all.
Hey guys, ChrisFix here.
But consider how heavy and how precisely placed a windshield needs to be. And look at all that stickiness. That's actually a major don't do this criteria. Sticky goo is no fun to work with. So, I got weak. I called someone to do the work in for me. I'll never forgive myself. Lucky for me, the repair guy said I had some work to do. Rust rested right under that crack. The repair guy figured it would bubble up and crack the windshield again unless I took care of it first. So I got to sleep at night again, after I fixed the rust, of course. The windshield turned out great. You can't even see my repair. Maybe someday I'll get lucky, a window will break, and I'll get to try fixing it at that point. Then I'll know for sure what I missed out on. But how much money did I lose this time by hiring it out? A new windshield by itself ranges from $110 to $255. The glass repair service charged $273. Glass and labor included. I'm not saying at all that ChrisFix was wrong, far from it, but considering how long my to-do list on the truck is, I can live with that price tag. On to the next project. Thanks for watching.